All protocol observes. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's an honor to stand in front of you, Mr. President, to just say thank you for this. Actually, I was called around 1 a.m. I wasn't expecting this, but thank you so much for this kind gesture. And thank God I never broke the world record before then, but now at least I'll get something. And congratulations, Faith. I remember we were together, and you are really inspiration to everybody around the world, and to me also. I just have two requests, Mr. President. I train at Kasarani, and the warm-up track is completely worn out. So if we can make that one, okay, as we head to the Olympics, that will be a great pleasure. And sisi kama athletes tunataka kutoka na chai kidogo hapa. Itakuwa mzuri. Thanks so much for this, and I really appreciate it. For me, I promise in 2 months' time we're getting a medal at the World Championships, and it's never happened before for Africa, not just for Kenya, for Africa. So the progression is going on well, and with the support that you've promised, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. Asante.
Thank you, Omanyala. I have something for Omanyala. Where is the... Oh, very good. Tumesema unataka kutoka hapa na just hold it. Just hold it. I still got it. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Very good.